difference. We're going to talk about the differences between Fusiliers and Grenadiers, artillery, and engineer badges. The one thing that they have in common is they're all based on the design of a flaming grenade. Okay? In this case, this is a Grenadier badge. It's the Winnipeg Grenadiers. These are all infantry units that back in the beginning had different roles than standard infantry. Grenadiers were the soldiers that were taught to throw grenades. Fusiliers, which is this one here, were the soldiers that guarded the artillery pieces with fusils, which didn't produce the sparks, and therefore were safer to be around the gunpowder. Fusiliers as well. The strange thing here is this is the Princess Louise Fusiliers, and as you can see they have a very squat flame, much like a Grenadier, which is unusual, even though their collar badges are what I would call the proper Fusilier style. That's normally what you'll see as a Fusilier, is coming up like that, forming a point, vice being blunt like the Grenadiers. Okay, so this is an anomaly, the Princess Louise Fusiliers, based on, basing their badge on that. However, their collar badges are correct. When we move over here, these are collar badges, and it's to show you the difference between engineers and artillery. At first glance, these two are the same, but one is an engineer from the First World War, Canadian Engineers, and one's Canadian Artillery from the First World War. They both have Canada underneath, so you know that they're from the First World War. The difference being, the engineers have 9 flames here, whereas the artillery only have 7. So you can see that they've put a couple of extra flames in there, whereas they don't there. And as you can see, when it transitions to the Second World War to current day, the engineer, same design, but instead of saying Canada, it says Ubique, which is their model for everywhere.